When Cyclone Nargis left its devastation in parts of Myanmar in 2008, Tzu Chi came in with seeds of love, both figuratively and literally. The Tzu Chi Foundation gave farmers rice seeds to help them rebuild their harvest, planting good thoughts in their hearts. When flooding occurred once again in 2015, the same farmers who received Tzu Chi's assistance in the past repaid their love to others by donating a handful of rice a day, much like the spirit of Tzu Chi's bamboo coin bank. In the aftermath of the disaster, many international organizations indicated they were willing to help. However, the Burmese government has strict policies against foreign aid. After multiple communications between the government and Tzu Chi Foundation, in mid-June of that year, authorities allowed Tzu Chi to conduct large-scale humanitarian aid.
The master said if the farmers are willing to go back to farming, then for every acre, we should give them a bag of fertilizer.
The first distribution of 5,595 metric tons of aid was of salt-tolerant rice seeds, which helped restore 46,797 hectares of land.
With plenty of fertilizer, when we harvest in autumn, we will have seeds. It's growing very well now. Take a look yourself.
2 years after Nargis in 2010, Tzu Chi began a 3-year plan to help 29 farming villages in Yangon's Danyin Township.
In the past, the rice I planted would only yield 40 baskets an acre, but Tzu Chi's rice yields give me 30 more than my original. My family's living condition has improved greatly. Since we have received Tzu Chi's help, my family's life has improved. Every time I see the rice, I think of Tzu Chi and hold within my heart much gratitude. Tzu Chi volunteers treat each of us like family.
By Tzu Chi providing quality-grade rice seeds, local farmers' livelihood has also improved. And with their extra harvests, these farmers learn how to give back.
Think how many people Tzu Chi Foundation help. I don't have that much strength, but I can give a handful of rice a day.
In summer of 2015, parts of Myanmar once again experienced flooding, with hundreds dying from flood-related causes and many more impacted. Tzu Chi once again began their rice seed distribution to help farmers rebuild. The first segment of immediate relief Tzu Chi helped 5,000 some farming families with 642 tons of seeds, while the second phase of aid spanned 8 months and helped over 20,000 families in Taiki and Huanbi. After the successful harvest, farmers not only donated rice back to the volunteers, but also joined in the volunteer service to actualize charity within.
Sharing is a type of love. We received Tzu Chi's love in the past, and we have never forgotten it. So now it's our turn to pass it forward.